Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a brave little bunny named Benny. Benny was known for his courage and friendly nature, always hopping around to greet the forest animals with a warm smile. One sunny morning, Benny woke up to a surprising scene. A big, bright rainbow arched across the sky, and all the bunnies whispered about a magical land where clover never stopped growing. Benny, filled with curiosity, decided it was time to explore beyond his familiar burrow. Though the journey seemed daunting, Benny's heart was full of excitement. He scampered past tall tree trunks and wiggled through thick bushes. Along the way, he met a wise old owl perched on a tree branch. "Where are you hopping off to, young Benny?" inquired the owl, tilting his head. "I'm looking for a place where the clover grows forever. I've heard it might be near that lovely rainbow," Benny replied, his eyes twinkling with adventure. The owl chuckled warmly. "Follow the stream, dear bunny. It will lead you to great discoveries." And with that, Benny set off again, following the gentle flow of the sparkling water. The sun sank lower in the sky, painting the horizon with hues of orange and pink. Just as Benny began to wonder if he'd made a wrong turn, he witnessed a breathtaking sight. A meadow unfolded before him, blanketed with the most vibrant clovers he had ever seen. Benny's heart swelled with joy. He knew this was the place he'd been searching for. The air was sweet with the scent of wildflowers, and soft clouds floated lazily above. As Benny explored his new home, he met friendly creatures who welcomed him warmly. A family of hedgehogs shared stories of their own adventures, and a thoughtful turtle offered Benny a homecoming gift, a radiant daisy crown. That evening, as stars danced in the serene night sky, Benny nestled in his cozy new burrow, reflecting on his journey. He realized that bravery and friendship made his new home even more special. Benny drifted off to a peaceful sleep, dreaming of more wonderful tomorrows with his new friends. And so, Benny the brave little bunny found not just a new home, but a place where he truly belonged, in a meadow under the gentle watch of a never-ending rainbow.